All right, we're going to solve this equation. Well, we're going to solve for x in this equation. This expression has got variables on both sides. But there's fractions here. And fractions can sometimes get messy. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn these fractions into whole numbers. And we're going to multiply them by their lowest common multiple, which is 8 for both. Just 8 for both of these. So the lowest common multiple for 8 and 4 is 8. I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. And then what we would have here, if we multiply both sides by 8, we have to multiply each term by 8. So 8 times 3 over 4 is equal to 6, because 8 times 3 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So this becomes 6x plus 8 times 2, which is 16, is equal to 8 times 3 over 8. That's just 3x, because 8 times 3 is 24. 24 divided by 8 is 3, minus 8 times 4 is 32. 32. Okay, because you have to multiply each number to distribute it to each term. Great. Now let's try to get x isolated on one side, which we're going to choose this side. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to remove 16 from this side. So we're going to subtract 16 from this side, minus 16. And then we're going to subtract 16 from this side. So we're going to go minus 16 from this side too. So this would become 0. That 16 will go down to 0. And this would become 6x is equal to negative 32 plus negative 16, or minus 16, is equal to 48. This becomes 3x minus 48. Okay, so we got this. Now we got to get rid of this x on this side. And we're going to do this. We're going to subtract 3x from both sides. So we're going to subtract 3x from this side. And we're going to subtract 3x from this side. I'm going to put it back here. Okay, well, obviously this one goes down to 0. And this just becomes negative 48 is equal to 6x plus 3x is just, or plus negative 3x or minus 3x is equal to just 3x. So if 3x is equal to negative 48, and what we have to do now is divide both sides by 3 so we can get x isolated. So both sides divided by 3, this would just be x is equal to negative 48 divided by 3 is equal to 16, negative 16. And there we go, we're done. Let's go. Well, actually, let's substitute x in for the original equation, because we didn't have this 8 out front in the original equation. So the original equation was 3, 4 times negative 16, negative 16. So 3 times negative 16 is negative 48. Negative 48 divided by 4 is negative 12. So we have negative 12 plus 2 is equal to 3/8. So 3 times is also again negative 40. 3 times negative 16 is again negative 48. Negative 48 divided by 8, give me 1 second, is 6. So this becomes 6 minus 4. So then negative 12 plus six. So it's negative 48 minus divided by 8 is a negative number. Yeah. So negative 12 plus 2 is 10, negative 10. And then negative 6 minus 4 or plus negative 4 is negative 10. So yeah, we got the same number. It's equivalent. We got it. Yay, same school.